In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor mobile-friendly. Making sure that your website looks great on every device is crucial, and Elementor offers some great tools to help with that. So let's dive in and explore how you can customize your Elementor layouts for mobile viewing. First, we'll start right inside your Elementor editor. Now, if you look at the bottom left of your screen, you'll notice an icon that looks like a monitor. This is incredibly important because it gives you access to different device views. When you click on that monitor icon, you'll be presented with several options: mobile, tablet, or desktop. These represent the different screen sizes and orientations your audience might be using to view your website. Choosing the mobile view, represented by a smartphone icon, is your first step towards tailoring your content for mobile users. By selecting this, you can see exactly how your web page will appear on a phone. It's really important to work within this mode because it allows you to adjust layouts specifically for mobile without affecting the desktop version. And it's not just about shrinking your page, it's about ensuring that everything is as legible, functional, and appealing as it can be in a smaller, vertical format. You can test your settings in real time and make adjustments where needed. Remember, the smoother your mobile version is, the better the experience for your users. It's about prioritizing their ability to navigate your content seamlessly. Next, you might want to take a look at Tablet View, which is depicted as a sideways tablet icon. This mode lets you see how your page would look on a tablet in landscape orientation. It's helpful to consider this view because tablets often have a display that sits somewhere between the size of a desktop and a mobile device. This means you might need to make some additional adjustments that you wouldn't necessarily make for other devices. For instance, perhaps you need to tweak certain alignments or ensure that the spacing is just right. The idea here is to craft an experience that feels native to each device while maintaining the core integrity of your design. Lastly, toggle back to the desktop view to ensure your settings still look perfect when viewed on a larger screen. It's always a good idea to double-check that any changes made to mobile or tablet views haven't adversely affected the desktop version. This is all about creating a cohesive experience across all platforms without having to duplicate work or worry about inconsistencies. And there you have it. By using these device-specific settings, you can make your Elementor creations truly responsive, ensuring they look amazing no matter where or how they are viewed. This will give your audience a seamlessly enriched experience that's both engaging and professional. Make sure to explore these settings to create the best possible user experience across all devices. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!